Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you how you can install and use the new Pocket Poster, which you can use to get animated wallpapers on iOS 17 or higher on every device without a jailbreak. Pocket Poster is completely free and we are at its official GitHub page. And as you can see it right here, the device we are using for this tutorial is an iPhone 12 on iOS 26. Scroll down to the latest release right here, and from there you can get the IPA file to your computer first, and then you can simply use Sideloadly, which is completely free. You can get it from its official website, install it on Windows, and for Sideloadly to work, you will have to install iTunes and iCloud from these official links. You can also use SideStore, AllStore, etc. to install the IPA for the Pocket Poster. Once installed, before you can open it, go to Settings, General, all the way down to Device Management and trust the app from here. Also on iOS 16 and higher, go to Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, scroll all the way down until you see the Developer Mode. Simply hit on it and turn it on. You will see the Developer Mode once you have installed the app. Now you can simply open it from here. Now before you can use the Pocket Poster, you will have to go to Settings, and here you will have to get the app hash. You will need the latest version for Nugget to get the app hash. This is the one-time process. Once done, you can get the animated wallpapers without a computer after setting it for the first time. For that, get to the official GitHub page for Nugget. Nugget is also completely free. Before you can use Nugget, you will have to install iTunes for Windows. You can simply get the official links from within the official GitHub page for Nugget. You can install Apple devices from Microsoft Store, or you can simply install iTunes from the Apple's website. Once iTunes is installed, you can simply head to Releases and get the latest version from here. I'm using Windows, so I will get the nugget_windows.zip file. Once you get the zip file, simply right click and then extract all to extract it into a folder. Open it, open Nugget again. Also, please note that you do not have to install Python separately. It is already built into Nugget. Please connect your device via USB, unlock it. If asked, please trust it, and then open Nugget. Alright, as you can see the version right here, it's iOS 26. Now open the Pocket Poster app on your device. Go to Settings and then hit on Detect. You will see this message. Now on the Nugget app on your PC, go to Settings, then hit the Pocket Poster Helper button. Simply tap on it. You can see the hash has been transferred to the Pocket Poster app. Hit OK and you can see the app hash has been put in automatically here inside the Pocket Poster app. Now you can close out of Nugget. Now on the app, simply go back and then you can hit this button right here to get the animated wallpapers. Scroll down until you see your favorite animated wallpaper you want to install, and then hit Open in Pocket Poster. Then hit Open. You will see that it is now trying to download the file for .10ds. Hit OK. Alright, as you can see, it is now downloaded. Now you can simply hit Apply. You can see success. It is now applied. Hit OK, and the Pocket Poster will open. You can simply go to the app switcher and exit out of it. Go back, lock, press and hold, hit on the plus button, scroll down until you see Collections. Alright, you can see we have the animated wallpaper we just got. Simply hit on it, add, set as wallpaper pair. You can see it works without issues on the home screen and on the lock screen. Also, in case if you have already got the 10ds file, you can simply hit select 10ds. Simply point it towards a directory where you have the file, select it, hit on open, and it will show up here, and then you can hit apply to apply it. You can see that if you check out settings, you can also create an additional fallback method if the default method is not working for you. It will get you a shortcut which you can add to use as an additional fallback method. by simply following the instructions. Just in case, if you see this error when you try to apply an animated wallpaper, that it could not be saved in folder documents before a file with the same name already exists. To fix it, right on your device, go to settings, go to general, then go to language and region. From there, simply add language. Use any different language. Your device will switch to it, and now when you try to apply it, it will work without issues. And if you want to reset collections, you can use the reset collections button and simply follow the same method I have shown you previously to switch the language. You can see it right here, the collections are now reset and back to default. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.